Organizations want to deliver software faster and with better quality. Continuous integration and continuous delivery helps to meet this goal. Organizations have always delivered software using the waterfall methodology. This means first developing the code, then testing it, and then deploying it one after another. This would result in a lot of delays, and organizations would typically release about once per quarter a major update to their software. With the advent of DevOps, CI/CD became a better alternative to the waterfall methodology. Let's look at some of the key concepts behind CI/CD. The first is the word continuous. This implies that organizations don't just want to ship once per quarter, but ship continuously every day or even multiple times a day. Second, chunking. CI/CD breaks down big problems into smaller ones, or breaks down large applications and code bases into small chunks of code. Third, fail fast, fail forward. CI/CD doesn't look to eliminate all mistakes and failures, rather, it looks to learn from them, fail quickly, but make new mistakes. Finally, automation. Automation is key to the success of CI/CD because machines are faster and more accurate than humans at performing tasks within the development pipeline. Let's look at the types of automations. There are 3 types of automation within CI/CD. The first, build automation. This is about taking code from a local developer machine and placing it into a shared repository. The second, test automation. This is about running test scripts on the code that's been created. It's a great way to get quick feedback on the quality of the code. Finally, release automation. Once code has passed quality and security checks, it should be automatically deployed into a production environment. This is release automation. An important part of release automation is the ability to roll back bad code. Now let's look at the tooling ecosystem available for CI/CD. Let's start with open source tools. Jenkins is by far the most popular CI/CD tool available today. It has a huge plugin directory, and while it started out as primarily a CI tool, it's now expanded to cover even CD capabilities. Also check out Jenkins X, a cool new tool that takes a more modern approach to CI/CD. The second tool is Selenium. This tool automates tests in the cloud. It powers testing platforms like Sauce Labs and greatly helps improve code quality. Finally, Spinnaker is a new open source tool that helps automate releases. It's great especially if you have a Kubernetes-centric stack. The top cloud vendors have their own flavor of CI/CD tools, for example, AWS Code Pipeline and Google Cloud Build. Next, there are numerous startups that are innovating in the domain of CI/CD. These include organizations like Weave, GitLab, Rancher, and CircleCI. What are some things you should consider when thinking about CI/CD? The first is that it's a change of culture. It's not about adopting another new tool. What really needs to happen is for dev, QA, and ops teams to work together and break down silos between them. As a first step, GitHub is a great place to start. If you don't already do this, having version control and source code repositories really helps as a first step to CI. Finally, if you're thinking of CI, also look into GitOps. It's a related and slightly more modern take on the software delivery pipeline. I have a video on this elsewhere. In conclusion, CI/CD helps ship better software faster. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon below.